Alright, another
Tulsa
one.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, eastern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Lafleur County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of Sallisaw to 6 miles south of Gans to 4 miles east of Fanshawe, moving east at 75 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Crawford is about
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Van Buren, Sallisaw, Podo, Cedarville, Mount Hainburg, Natural Dam, Greenwood, Alma, Barling, Hacola, Muldrow, Roland, Lavaca, Spiro, Arcoma, Mulberry, Panama, Mansfield, Dyer. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile marker 0 and 21. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 306 and 328. Interstate 540 between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 49 between mile markers 22 and 38. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and...
Oh, they cut them off. Double Davidson!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma, Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Welch to 6 miles west of Peggs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Miami UH, Wagoner, Veneta, Baxter Springs, J, Pryor Creek, Grove, Commerce, Shoto, Locust Grove, Salina, Fairland, Afton, Quippaw, Langley, Colgard, Kansas, Adair, Welch. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 266 and 324.
What was that?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma.